their support, and we are getting ready for a great fireworks show. You can see the lights are starting to go off all around us. What we're going to do, we're going to start a countdown from 30. When we get to 10, we are going to need your guys' help so we know when to shoot all these awesome fireworks off. So let's get the countdown started. We'll start it up at 30 right now up there on the scoreboard where they go 41,337 of you tonight. You guys were awesome here inside Progressive Field, and now let's keep the energy up. People, less than 20 to go. Let's hear you loud. Let's hear you proud. Tribe fans, are you ready for some fireworks? Let's count it down.
Big truck, gonna open up the doors and turn it up. Gonna stomp my boots in the Georgia mud. Gonna watch you make me fall in love. Get up on the hood of my daddy's tractor, up on the tube.
I love country.
Don't matter, down on the tailgate. Girl, I can't wait to watch you do your thing. Shake it for the birds, shake it for the bees, shake it for the catfish. Sit down,
About